Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash. I'm a full-time trader by profession. I've started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis and I also bring videos like this. So today in this video, I'll be analyzing Manulife. I won't be going into the fundamentals of the stock. I'll be just analyzing the stock's chart for investment purpose only. This video is not for day traders because I'll be just analyzing the stock on the basis of 1 day time frame and weekly time frame. I won't be going to the smaller time frame like 15 minutes or 5 minutes. Okay. So this video is for mainly for those people who have this stock in their portfolio or who are planning to invest in this particular stock. Okay. So let's get started. Uh, so you can see that on I have the chart and I'm using two indicators, 50 pair moving average blue line and the dark pink line is the 200 period moving average. As we all know, no stock or no asset in the world moves in a straight line or goes down like this. Okay, they always go like this or come down like this. And we can see that MFC is showing good swing movements. Okay, to understand better, we'll just zoom out the chart a little. Okay. After zooming out, we can see that okay, stock is uh, trading above the 200 pair moving average. That's a good sign. Taking support at the 50 pair moving average. Okay, that's also a good sign. And after this consolidation period, okay, right now trading right now the stock is an uptrend, trading at 24.91. Let's zoom out a little. Before the crash, market was in 27-28 range, and after that it crashed during the COVID-19 phase, and after that again it's going up. So see, we won't be considering this fall because it happened due to coronavirus, we all know. Okay, but right now the stock is in nice trend. Okay, no hard feelings. These kind of moves are very good for swing traders. So to understand the stock better, let's switch to the weekly time frame. Yes. Okay, now we are in the weekly time frame, and the weekly time frame is telling us a little bit of a different story. Now we can see that the uptrend is gone. Okay, so what do we see here? From 2013 onwards, or yeah, 2013 onwards, we see that for the last couple of years, uh, around 9 years, so 8 9 years, the stock is not showing any good up move. Okay, the stock is not showing any good up move. And the stock, if the stock goes up also, if this uptrend continues also, then the stock will face a good amount of resistance at 27.3 level. So there is a high chance that from 27.3 level it may reverse. Okay, so my final words will be that if you have this particular stock in your portfolio, then do not expect that it will give you a good amount of return. Okay, because there is no trend here in the weekly time frame. Okay, so suppose suppose you wait for, yeah, you decide to wait for 5 years 7 years, you may end up in this particular range only. Again, it may not move upward. So I'll say that if you have this particular stock in your portfolio, then you can exit from the stock and invest the money somewhere else. There are plenty of companies available that will give you good returns. And if you're planning to invest money in Manulife, then I'll say that this is not the right stock for you. Okay, this is not the right stock for you. Money will be stuck. That's it. Let the stock, let the stock cross this particular level of 27.3. Then you can think about initiating a fresh position. Before that, I'll say that you should stay away from Manulife for a longer period of time if you're planning to create wealth out of it. Okay, so hopefully you'll have understood. If you've liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more informative market related information. Okay, I'll come down tomorrow with daily market analysis. Thank you so much. And if you want to know more about me, you can check out my website. The link is in the description. Thank you so much.